Giuseppe's Marketplace with my BFF, Vinny. Hi, Vinny.
How are we doing today?
I'm great. What are we making?
Today we're making a panzanella salad.
Oh, I love that.
So this is just olive oil, salt, pepper. I grilled it. I put a little parsley on it. We want a red onion, super thin Julienne onions. Break the onions up. So 1 clove of garlic, but I'm gonna smash it just to complement the tomatoes, not overpower them. Uncle Giuseppe's balsamic glaze. I'm gonna add a little salt, a little black pepper. Miss Lily Stolzberg about to cut our tomatoes for our panzanella salad.
Chop it in half. And then this part's no good.
Core, yeah.
I'm gonna do this.
Whatever you want to do.
This is a really sharp knife.
That is.
So what do you do
Every
like this?
cut is completely different. That's what we want. I'm gonna salt the hell out of these tomatoes. We're gonna pepper it now. And now we're gonna chiffonade our basil. Just rolling the knife on the cutting board. Take about half of it. It's gonna go in here. And olive oil. All of this grilled bread is gonna be random. Look at the juice going on top. Beautiful.
Burrata.
Right here in the middle. We're gonna salt it. We're gonna pepper it. We're gonna olive oil it. Okay, it's happening. Okay, now we're gonna take a little bit of our chiffonade basil. Wild Sicilian oregano. Just give it a little,
You need to try this. So head to our website, newspelt.com, and you'll find the recipe there. Amazing.
My pleasure as always.
Thank you.